Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is awake, unlocked, and charged. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Device Control or Accessibility. If the control is managed by an admin profile, prepare that password or PIN now. You'll need it to change system-level toggles. Make sure network connections are stable if controls sync with cloud profiles, because unsynced changes can revert. Now proceed to the specific control panel you intend to disable. You'll now locate the specific control entry and tap into its detail view. This shows connected apps and permission lists. First, toggle off the primary switch to stop active control, then revoke any listed app permissions or device profiles to prevent automatic reactivation. If there's a confirmation prompt, authenticate with your PIN or biometrics. This is normal. Once you've toggled and revoked, wait a few seconds and verify the primary status indicator shows inactive before moving on. Finish by restarting the device so the operating system fully applies the new settings. This avoids sticky services. After reboot, test by attempting to use the formerly active control. If it fails, the change stuck. If it still responds, clear the control app cache, remove any device administrator profiles, and recheck permissions. As a last resort, backup data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent management. If problems continue, contact the device administrator. They may have enforced policies preventing changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.